Steph, and this is Stephanie, and she is one of my new kayaking friends. And Stephanie, how did we meet?
Through our greyhounds.
Yes, she has a greyhound. So that's and we obviously have the same name, and we both have greyhounds. So and we both like kayaking, and we're not the same person. Look, we're two people, two separate people. So we are out here on Lake Iamonia today, and we got on at the Kate Ireland Landing. So that's one of the 25 free boat landings in Leon County. So we are out here enjoying a nice overcast day. We're having a great time, so come join us. We have found an island and we're exploring. We made it back! Woohoo! Mine could have floated away. 20 pounds. So we are headed back and we are fighting some wicked wind. Oh my goodness. We are probably just around the bend is probably where the landing is. We're so close, we could taste it. Had a good journey so far. It's been 3 hours and 38 minutes. So we'll see how long this ends up being. So we have just finished kayaking Lake Iamonia, and that was 4 hours. Can you believe it?
4 hours.
So you've done this one before?
I have. I've gone from the other landing to here and then back.
Yeah. And so did you like it before better or this time?
This time was a little bit better, not as hot.
Yeah, because it was nice and overcast. So this is a great landing. I would highly recommend it. This is either Kate Ireland Park or Leon County Brunt Landing. Okay, so we don't know the actual landing name, but we've done it and it's great. This is the second landing here on Lake Iamonia. So come visit. It's a great place to paddle. Have a great day. So now we're gonna take Stephanie's kayak back to her car because it doesn't fold. Where does the fold happen? Is it in the middle?